A pole 5 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point A on the ground is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the point A from the top of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. Now let us say that QR is the tower and QP is pole fixed on the top of it. This pole is of length 5 meter, therefore we take PQ equals to 5 meter. There is a point A on the ground. From here, when we see the angle of elevation of the top of this pole, that is PAR, this is equal to 60 degree. And from top of tower, when we observe the angle of depression of point A, then QM is the horizontal through Q, QA is the line of sight. So therefore, angle of depression of A observed from Q will be MQA, which equals to 45 degree. Suppose height of tower, that is QR, is equal to x meter, and this distance AR is equal to y meter. Now MQ is parallel to AR, therefore angle MQA is equal to angle QAR. It means angle QAR is also equal to 45 degree. So we have to find the value of x. In right triangle PRA, PR upon AR is equal to tan of 60 degree. Now how much is PR? PR is PQ plus QR. PQ is 5 meter, QR we have taken as x meter, therefore PR is 5 plus x meter. AR we have taken as y and tan 60 is root 3. So this gives you 5 plus x is equal to root 3y, or value of y is 5 plus x divided by root 3 meter. So now we consider triangle QRA. In triangle QRA, QR upon AR is equal to tan 45 degree, because in this triangle angle QAR is 45 degree, we have already calculated. Now putting the value of QR as x meter, AR as y meter, tan 45 equals to 1, we get x is equal to y. So if we take this value of y as equation 1, this has 2, from equation 1 and equation 2 we get 5 plus x upon root 3 is equal to x, because this is value of y, this is also value of y. So solving, we get 5 plus x is equal to root 3x, or 5 is equal to root 3x minus x. So if we take x common, so this gives you value of x equals to 5 divided by root 3 minus 1, and further multiplying and dividing with root 3 plus 1, we get x equals to 5 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 will become 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this is value of x. Therefore, height of tower equals to 5 by 2 into root 3 plus 1 meter.